This is Chona, Garcia, Laureta, and this is our Kakanin Espesyal Part 2. Filipinos, we grow up in a community where we love to eat kakanin. And kakanins are our ultimate merienda. From the word itself, kanin, we take all these kakanins from rice and sometimes from root crops like cassava, yung mga kamote, mga saging. So there are endless varieties of kakanins, and these are really, limitless. So in every region, there are different kinds of kakanins that we will be exploring today, and soon more kakanins to explore and to taste and to enjoy. Today we will be exploring 6 different really delicious kakanins. So to give you a briefer for each one of these beautifully created kakanins, meron tayong Bibingka de Cebu. I traveled back to Cebu City just to get these recipes, especially for the Bailiwickers. So this Bibingka de Cebu is made of just the rice, the wagwag rice, or the cheapest rice that you can find in the market. And with that, syempre meron tayong mga kakanggata, gawa lahat sa mga coconut. So makikita natin dito mostly with the rice, and of course we have the cassava with the gata. So main talaga natin dito, the star for our kakanins are the rice and the gata. Okay? So meron din tayong tinatawag natin ito sa Visayas na Putong Pinalutaw. When you say lutaw, it's the float, but we call it because it's steaming, so that's why we call it floating. So Putong Pinalutaw, but we call it generally like rice puto. So puto siya na gamit ang galapong. So really from scratch talaga ang gagawin natin. So hindi tayo gagamit ng rice flour na gawa na, kundi we'll go back to the galapong. Okay? So we also have here Puto Maya. Puto Maya is made of, if you see, the purple glutinous rice, and we also have the white glutinous rice. So we combine them and then we create a very beautiful Puto Maya. Of course, we will be serving it with our Tsokolate de Baterol. If you can see here, the Baterol and the Boloneo, we will be creating this very delicious Tsokolate de Baterol served with sweet mangoes. We also have here our Pichi Pichi, created from our cassava. There are different kinds of Pichi Pichi. Sometimes they are, meaty, matigas, and we want our Pichi Pichi to be soft and really chewy. When you pull it away, chewy siya. So yun ang kagandahan ng ating Pichi Pichi. Of course, we also have our Sapin Sapin. The classic Sapin Sapin that we will be creating today, it has layers of 3 flavors. We have the makapuno, we have the langka, and we have the ube. So as we go on with the class, so makikita ninyo kung paano siya gagawin. And of course, our classic Kutchinta. The kind of Kutchinta na hindi siya matigas, kundi meron din siyang kunat, okay? Because that's what we want for our Kutchinta. There's kunat. So today, yan ang ating gagawin na 6 na alam kong mag-i-enjoy kayo at alam kong mahahappy kayo sa recipes natin. At ngayon, gawin na natin dito lang yan sa The Bailiwick Academy.